Welcome back with new authentic recipe. How did you like this recipe? Give your review in comments section. Let's start it. 1/2 glass lukewarm water. 2 tablespoons sugar. Subscribe. 2 tablespoons dry yeast. Mix thoroughly until the sugar is completely dissolved. Leave it 5 to 10 minutes. 3 cups flour. 1 teaspoon baking soda. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 tablespoon parsley. 1 tablespoon oregano. Mix well. Add lukewarm milk as needed. Knead slowly. Make a soft dough. Add 2 tablespoons all butter. And knead again for 5 minutes. Apply 1 tablespoon oil on dough surface. Cover and leave 1 to 1/2 hours in warm place. Until dough rises well. 1/3 cup oil. 2 small chopped onion. Cook until transparent. 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Add 250 g boiled and shredded chicken. Mix well. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon black pepper. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. 1 tablespoon chili flakes. Mix well and cook on medium flame. Add 2 tablespoons flour. Mix well until flour and chicken combine. Add 1 glass milk. Mix well. One 1/2 cup chopped capsicum. 1/2 cup green onion. 2 tablespoons tomato ketchup. Cook until the chicken leaves the edges. Off the flame and let it cool down. 1/2 cup cheddar cheese. 1/2 cup mozzarella cheese. Mix well. After 1.3 hours, dough and rise well. Knead and remove the air pockets. Divide it into parts. And make a round like a bowl. Take a 1 part and roll it. Cut with large round shape. Subscribe. Make the all like this. Take 1 piece and roll it. Apply some water in triangle. And flip the side and make a triangle shape. Add 1/2 teaspoons or favorite sauce. I'm using BBQ sauce. Add the chicken mixture in middle. Turn one side, apply little water and turn other side as shown in video. Make 1012 parcel. Brush with egg. Little Nigella seeds kalonji. Bake in preheated oven on 180°C for 15 minutes. Subscribe. The color is perfect. Perfectly cooked from both sides. Yummy Zingy Parcel is ready. Soft and fluffy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.